Hey folks, it's me again, Gmask. Today we're going to dive into anti-grit protection. As some of you might already know, we use precision cutouts to guarantee a worry-free experience for our customers. This means no need to disassemble the car and minimal use of a knife on the bodywork. However, we often get approached by owners of rare cars or the very latest models. Think along the lines of Chinese electric cars, for which, my dear friends, there are no cutouts available anywhere in the world. So, about a year ago, we decided to make our own templates using a high-precision 3D scanner. That means as soon as a new model rolls off the production line, we scan it and get high-precision templates made. Yes, creating cutouts takes a little time, but at least our customers can rest easy, knowing that their car didn't have to be taken apart and no film was cut on the bodywork. In short, my dear friends, we're all set and waiting for you at Gmask to protect your cars.